It's a continuation of the week ahead video that I shot on Monday regarding the top 5 things that I wanted to accomplish this week. Well, what I will say is I am having a very dynamic, which is great, week. And what I plan the week ahead is drastically changed, but in a good way. So here are my top 5 things for the midweek. Number 1, project management professional teaching positions. I am very happy that numerous people have been reaching out to me on LinkedIn and elsewhere regarding my project management teaching. I am a certified PMP. I'm also the hostess of my Projectize Project Management Show, which airs Mondays through Fridays, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Periscope, Instagram Live, and YouTube Live. I feel that by expanding my show onto YouTube and Instagram, I've gotten more people in my audience and more reach for project management, and that's one of the reasons why I am getting a lot of leads regarding project management professional instructor positions. Also, I have uploaded a lot of video directly or natively onto LinkedIn, and LinkedIn prioritize native videos. I've also been posting a lot and showcasing my authority through LinkedIn Post, which is the blogging tool of LinkedIn, as well as relevant project management groups. So I've always been in LinkedIn, but because I've been focusing on project management and I've been doing a lot of content management, I've done my Projectize show since January of this year, 2019. It's September. So after, 9 months of work and putting in the work, I am very happy that I am on the radar for project management professional instructor positions, which are great because I love to teach. And speaking of LinkedIn, you can get in touch with me on my LinkedIn at linkedin.com/IN/Carla R. Jenkins. I'll put the link at the bottom of the page or in the description, whether you're watching this on my website, carlarjenkins.com, or on video on YouTube. Number 2 is I attended my alma mater, Cleveland State University Career Fair, where I got to press the flesh and meet with a lot of recruiters regarding data analytic and cloud computing positions. I am a techie at heart. I've been programming ever since high school. I have over 15 years experience in SaaS programming, as well as code review and systems administration. So cloud computing is the next direction. In addition to that, I'm also currently in workforce development training to learn more about Amazon Web Services and other major cloud computing vendors. I'm also, knowledgeable in Azure and Google Cloud Platform, because my goal is to start off with AWS and to go into other vendors, because the trend is to be multi-cloud, meaning that you're going to be using more than just one company and more than just one type of cloud computing, which I'm fine with because I know how to program in more than one language. And what I got out of the career fair is, first and foremost, I was amazed that my old student ID still swipe. Number 2, I was pleasantly surprised that people thought I was a recent graduate. And number 3, when you talk to people offline, in person, you get to know the hiring trends and you get to know the work culture, which is completely different than just a job description that they post online. I'm very happy that they do have data analytic positions and some cloud positions. So I was happy that my alma mater did well in that, and that I was able to put my brand out there. And presentation skills, soft skills are very important, especially even in hard, tech, science, engineering, mathematics. You still need to know how to speak, to communicate, and to listen to people. Number 3, I attended this Tuesday the Ohio County, which is my workforce development application session for Amazon, Census, and Lincoln Electric. I did the Census Bureau but I'm actively still looking for Amazon Web Services. I'm very happy that I networked with another training specialist and let her know that I was in training because she didn't. So, as many people can help me in that area is great. I'm also grateful for the opportunity of being able to apply directly because I am a former government employee. So, I was able to use my SF50 for the census position, and I am looking forward to being selected for it or other federal opportunities that are currently available. Number four is Amazon Web Services. That's huge. As you know, I've been on my cloud journey since this past August. It's mid September, and I just completed last week my Solutions Architect Associate Training. I also am in the process of studying for SysOp Administrator, and I've been studying videos of people and their student testimonies, which very helped me because it gave me a watershed moment. I know the difference between solutions architect now and SysOps. So SysOps deals with performance, solutions architect deals with products and services. That's huge because it rattled my brain until now. And I'm going to keep everyone posted on my cloud journey because I've learned so much. As I mentioned, I am a big time techie. So this is right up my alley. Number five, I'm leveraging LinkedIn for opportunities. My LinkedIn is really coming along, and I believe I've grown over 100 people in Cleveland with cloud computing as well as outside the Midwest with cloud computing because of doing the under 2 minute videos from documenting my cloud journey as well as other things that I'm doing to prepare as well as project management. I'm very grateful that my LinkedIn community supports and likes those videos because I love to communicate and I love to engage and share knowledge. Also, I am thankful and gracious that my LinkedIn community loves the progress that I'm doing through lynda.com and LinkedIn Learning. Whenever I complete a module, I several times these modules, especially if I post them at night, which is weird, but that's when they look at them, is that they receive over 100 views. I've had also videos that received over 200 views in a 24-hour period. So just the fact that I'm now, I believe, up to nearly 2,400 followers on LinkedIn, and that 10% at any given time, any given day would stop what they're doing to watch my videos. I greatly appreciate all of you liking them. They share them on my platform. And as I mentioned before earlier in this video, I'm actively looking for full-time direct hire remote Cleveland and DC cloud computing positions. So it can be cloud architect, cloud engineer, cloud economist, cloud security engineer, and site reliability engineer. I can also do DevOps engineer, but connect with me on LinkedIn at linkedin.com/IM/Carla or Jenkins. So that's the midweek review. And that's only the middle. You can only imagine what would happen at the end of the week. So get in touch with me at carlarjenkins.com/contact. Finally, LinkedIn again at linkedin.com/IM/Carla Jenkins.